Alright guys, we're back in the garage here today. I blocked the front end here with the 400, and so now I'm going to start getting the inside of the panels painted, but I got to remove them and sand them real quick, and then I can shoot them and then get them back on the cars. So I'll be starting that now. I did get my fender done here, guys. Got most of the stickers on that I have. I'm going to need some more, so anybody who's getting some made up, I've got plenty of room on the fender for you. We've got Cecil on here. We got Grotto 1, Shut Your Face Garage, Matt, and VW Darren. So it's looking pretty cool. I still got to trim it and then mount it up on the wall there. I'll probably do that this weekend as well. So yeah, I got my another set of cooling fans here. I'm gonna get those mounted up in the window, and that'll draw most of the fumes out of here. I got those for free, so I think they'll work pretty good. They are a sealed unit, so we'll see how that goes. I got some of the panels off here. I got the one door off, the deck lid. The deck lid's all sanded. Just got to blow it off and then wipe it down. I'm going to sand the inside of the door, and then I'll get that cleaned up. I'm going to pull the hood off as well, and then sand inside the underside area, and then spray that as well. And I'm going to do the inside jams of the fenders and the one door opening here as well. I'll still have to do this in two parts just because I got no room in the garage. So once I get these three panels done here, I'll push the car forward, and then I'll pull that door off, and I'll do that door, that jam, and the trunk jam all as in the next section or part. So, and then once that's done, then the outside will be ready to go. I did get my cooling fans installed, and I tried them out there last night, and wow, it really draws a lot. So I think that's going to work pretty good. When I do spray the outside of the car, I will be building a temporary wall along the Chevelle, and I'm going to have some filters in there, and then that way I can draw warm air from that side of the garage through the filters over the car and out the window. So hopefully that'll work, because I really don't want to lose a lot of the heat while I'm painting. So but anyways, I did organize here a little bit, made a little bit more room. I got the toolbox moved over there, so it freed up a lot of space. So, but all right, I'm going to keep going on the on sanding this here and get these ready for paint, and I'll show you a little bit more when I get there. Alrighty, I got some of the taping going on here. I got the hood off. That's set over there. I still have to sand that, and that'll be all ready to go. I got this jam all taped off. I gave myself a soft edge with the tape right on the top there, so I should be able to blend the outside when I paint it. I'll put a soft edge on the inside when I paint the outside. Same thing inside the jam here. I gotta spray that section of the inner fender there. So I'm gonna tape this door jam off and get that done too, and that side as well. So, and then that's it. Hopefully I'll get some spraying tonight and get this stuff done. And then I gotta put it back together again. Anyways, alrighty guys, I'll show you. Alright guys, I got it all wrapped up. Everything's sanded. The hood, the deck lid, the door, the two hinges. the inside fender jams and the door jams. So I just got to wipe them down with some cleaner, and then I'm going to get some sealer mixed up and we'll get this sprayed. So alright, I'll show you. Okay guys, we're going to put our sealer on now. Ready for some base coat. We're ready for the clear coat here. Here we go. Okay guys, I got 2 coats of clear on it. I think it turned out really good, but I'll take a look at it tomorrow when it dries. So I'm gonna get this uploaded for you guys. I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll let this cure overnight, and then we'll do another video tomorrow. All right guys, thanks for watching.